Hi, Pat here. I got a Teac reel-to-reel, model A2070. As of now, it doesn't work. The lights will come on, but that's it. Odds are a broken belt. So, let's take the front cover off, take a look. I took the cover off, and there's the broken belt. Other than that, all the rubber looks good. Those look good. And I even got an extra pulley up here in case you're running 50 hertz. So all this section down here has got to come off for me to get to that pulley and put a new belt on. I got the pulley out. And it'll give me a chance to look at these heads too. And the heads there, they're in really nice shape. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull these off and clean them up, get things oiled up, and get all this linkage oiled up. A couple screws. I got this section to come off, and I got these two to come off, and I pulled this one off, mainly just change the belt and to clean things up. I'll probably pull this other one off too. You can see in here there used to be grease in there, a little bit down there, some more up there. Gotta clean that old grease off, add new one, add a little oil wherever you think you might need it. And these rubber rollers here, I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of black and glazed over, and right here I sanded down a little bit. It's more of a dull black than the shiny black. And I'll treat it something like this. Just treat the rubber a little bit, and they'll grab much better. I got things back together, and it's playing. It's just before dawn. Each night before you go to bed, my baby. See what I could do with the electronics in it. This is the amplifier section of this board. And first thing I did, I put a little Windex on a brush, started cleaning the board, and I got this little hose here hooked up to my shop vac. I get in there and vacuum everything out as much as I can, and you can see a difference between the sides, so it helps cleans up a little bit. I got this board all recapped, and I sprayed the oxygen into the pods, and this big wafer switch here, I sprayed low dioxin on a pipe cleaner and got in there and got all those cleaned up. Here's a look at the wafer switch here. This one's for the speed. You can just see how oxide they get. I just got a little dioxin on this pipe cleaner here. And this stuff cleans up nicely. This is the power supply board. I replaced two caps in there. The cap on this oscillator board here. Motor here, had little tubes in there. So I shot some oil in there. And this fan on the back was quite dirty. Cleaned that up, get better airflow, keep the motor cooler. And even this switch here is for the hertz, 50 or 60 hertz. I went ahead and shot some dioxin in that, along with the speed. The wood cabinet here, I cleaned up. On this side I had a little linseed oil. And compared to this side, it's all dried up. So I'll do the rest of it, and it'll have a decent look to it. I have a problem with these hold-ons here that holds the reel on. They get loose and they fall off, then your reel falls off and goes across the floor. So I stick a little piece of paper towel or something in there, and it just holds on better so the reel won't pop off. I've got it all back together, and I got tape on, and it's sounding good. I could be satisfied knowing you love me. There's one thing I want you. And plays in both directions. Now the output control, you see showing up in the VU meters. So it gives you an idea of what you're putting out. And it's play equalization. This seems like a tone control to me. The rewind and fast forward ain't the fastest I ever seen, but they do work. I did a little recording with this, and things came out pretty nice. And it does record in both directions. If you're real, you'll learn to think as well as feel. This deck came out pretty nice. Thanks for watching the video.